Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add background music on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the project, quick recordings, AI speakers and templates, and we have the workspace. In the top right corner, you can see that we have the, of course, settings, your profile, and the new project button also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add background music on Descript. So drag and drop your music file into the timeline or click the plus button and select add audio track. You can also use stock audio from Descript library. You can go here and click audio project here. Move the music track in the timeline to the point where you want it to start. You can trim and cut the music to fit your project. Click on the music track to select it. In the properties panel on the right, adjust the volume slider to ensure the background music doesn't overpower the main audio. Use the fade handles and beginning at the end of music track to create smooth transitions. Play back your project to make sure that the music complements your main audio and adjust as needed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.